today we'll do a quick screen tour of the Needle Grinder's 3-panel HMI. So we have the ability to set any of the menus in any position on the screen. So these are all the options where you'll find the different parameters. So it's our grind screen where we can run the cycle, put it in automatic, turn the wheel on and off, toggle the collets. And then our part creator screen, which is the program that the grind will run, as well as the features that you want to turn on and off within the grind program. So we have the load, grind, coolant blast for the ID, and the unload. And other features like the wheel radius is input here, and it'll let you know where the robot is in position while it's grinding. We have our dress screen, pretty simple for the parameters. You just have to give it a starting position, end position, of speed, and a dress depth, and then you can run multi-passes automatically through this. Our setup screen, where you can make adjustments to the robot, to its axes, as well as run a touch-off routine to get it square to the wheel. IVUS panel we use for our touch-off routine. We have acoustic emissions on board so that we can know when we are touching the wheel with our dresser or when we're touching the wheel with our parts that we're grinding. The robot pendant, where you can see what's going on through the FANUC controller and just monitor, read the notes in the program to kind of get an idea of what's going on. Diagnostics, where you can enable and disable the different axes. We have the ability to jog your collets, your dresser, and cam for the Maggini. Counters that can be utilized to keep track of how many parts you've done in a shift, to set up an auto dress, or for gauging. Our part select is our library of parts. Our library of programs that we've run in the past that have been saved, so you can access any old programs, open them up to look at them, and then download them to the machine. Our alarm panel, which currently doesn't have any alarms, but this is where you'll get any recent data. We can set up multiple user levels to vary the amount of access for a different, for an operator or an engineer, and password protect those. Our settings, you'll just have some different settings here for like the coolant blast, your pick positions for the feeder table. Our load screen, these are parameters that will be saved with your programs, but this has to do with the length of the part basically and how fast you want to load the parts in. Our unload panel, which is basically the same concept just for our unloading. And you can toggle some of the features on there, like the grippers. Our cutting tool, which is on this machine as an option to cut parts to length. This is where you have all your parameters for how fast you're going to cut, how wide your wheel is, those kinds of things, how fast the wheel's going to be spinning. And an inspection panel, which can be utilized depending on what kind of equipment has been optioned with the machine. Screen runs on Windows 11. Thank you.